Let's start C language. First of all, we will talk about structure of C. It has 5 sections: header section, main method section, variable declaration section, body section, and return section. I will explain each section in the example below. This is program in C language. The first 2 lines are in header section. stdio.h and conio.h, these are .h files which are called header files, which have code written by C developers to use in our program. For example, there is a math.h header file. If we want math functionality in our program, then we need to include math header file here. Next is main method declaration. This is main method declaration. This is the entry point of the C program. For example, we want to start a race. There is a starting point and ending point. Same here, we have starting and ending point. Main function is the starting point to execute the program. Computer will read instructions within the main method sequentially, starting from the first instruction till the last instruction. This is the body section. Inside body section, we can have set of instructions. Here you can notice that I have skipped the variable declaration section. Variable can be declared here. But in our program, we do not have variable. We will talk about it later. We can create variable here or before main function. This is the body of C program. Inside body, we can have multiple instructions, which is called instruction set. The first instruction inside the main function is going to print the hello world message on the screen. It is using printf function. This function is inside the studio.h. If we want to use printf function, then we need to include studio.h header file here. The next instruction is getch. This is a function which is inside conio.h header file. If we want to use getch function, then we need to add conio header file. This instruction is used to steal the screen. This is the source code of C program. We can understand it. Next, talk about return type. I have not used return here. I am not returning anything from this program. So with main function, I have used void keyword. Void means nothing. I am not returning anything. If I want to return anything, then I need to replace the getch with return statement. I am not returning anything, so here is void. If you want to return anything, then we need to replace void with something else. We will talk about it later. So for now, this is a source code. Computer understands binary code, binary language, so that means we need to convert this source code into the binary code. That means what we will do, we will compile it. We need compilation and linking process. Compilation refers to the process of source code file .c and the creation of an object file. Compilation process receive this file. We have to save this file with, for example, I am saving this file as hello.c. .c is the extension of C program. Every program in C language must be saved with .c. File name can be anything, but extension must be .c. I will tell you later on. The compilation process takes this file and creates object file. This step doesn't create anything the user can actually run. To run the program, we need to link this file. Linking refers to the creation of a single executable file from multiple object files. This process creates single executable file. The source code can have one or more object files, and linking receives those object files and creates single executable file. You might ask why there are separate compilation and linking steps. First, it's probably easier to implement things that way. The compiler does its thing and the linker does its thing. By keeping the functions separate, the complexity of the program is reduced. Let's write the program. This is a program. I have installed TurboC for Windows 7 in my Windows 10 operating system. I have opened it, created a new file from the new option under the file menu, then written this code. This is the same example as I have discussed with you before. Now this file has been to this location. I have installed TurboC++ in my C drive and I have saved my file with hello name and .c is the extension here. Next, I am compiling my program. It shows that there is no error in my program. Let's see the compilation process. You can notice here that we have object file over here with the same name as a source file name, but we cannot run this file. Next, we know that linking the object file. I am linking. There is no error. Now let's see what is going in the folder. You can see here is executable file. with hello.exe. Now I can run this file, execute on my system. Now I am running. You can see the output hello world. So this was the example of C program. This way you can write the code in C language. Thank you.